Speak loud. There was a goat living with her kid village. They lived hut.
One day mother goat
Was going
to
market
market
with her village. They lived hut.
One day, mother goat was
Going
to the market to
get
get
provisions.
provision for their
Household.
household. Mother
Side.
side of W-O-L-E-D
Wolf
wolf
was
L-U-R-K-I-N-D
lurking. Conversation between
the GOAT God and HEN
her her
her KID kid SO so ASE us
as
lesson to know and take good care of the house, my son. And she said to the kids, keep carefully locking the door. She also admitted the kid from the window. Do not let anyone in unless he gives you this password down with the wolf and all is raised. On the other side of was
lurking.
lurking near the hut and
Heard
the
conversation.
conversation between the goat and her kid.
Take
Take
care of the house. My son as she said to The kid. The
The
wolf
wolf has
softly.
soft
Ly softly.
softly
Said the
said the bank
password.
password
Down
down that
with
with
the
the
wolf.
and
All
all is
race.
in
He heard.
here. Take good
Care.
care of the house my soon as she said to the kid.
Carefully
Carefully
latched
the door. She also advised the kid from the window. Do not let
anyone
anyone in
unless
unless she gives you this password down hit the wolf and else
his.
race on the
Go भाग भाग भाग. Making
us to the words he said he can never be too
so sure.
so the kid is
Intelligence
intelligent and
saved.
his life from the wolf.
Sureties
Are
better
than
than
one.
one.
The wolf was
Softly
softly
said
said the PS
password
password to
down
get
with
the
wolf.
wool and around
All
all he
his
his ears
race.
he
Heard
the
password
password thing
when
when the mother got at two and told the kid. Flow me a white
paw
for I let you in a paw of
course feature goals. बच्चे स्पीक लाउड. कीर्ति स्पीक लाउड. So fulfill condition.
closed the door. She also advised the kid from the window, do not let anyone in unless she gives this password down with the wolf and all his race. On the other side, a wolf was lurking near the hut and heard the conversation between the goat and her kid. So as soon as the mother goat was out of the sight of the wolf,
there was, but speak loud. There was a goat living with her kid in a village. They lived in a one day mother goat was going to the market. Finger रखो. Get thought. बच्चे speak loud. The right password, but peeped through crack. Start. Immediately and knocked wolf softly said
the
password down which the other side a wolf was lurking near the hut and heard
the conversation between the goat and her kid.
speak loud.
All the wolves from the
देयर पढ़ो वॉज स्पीक लाउडली बच्चे अ गोट लिविंग विद हर किड इन अ पढ़ो आगे खुद पढ़ो village they lived in a small hut
Good care of the house, my son, as she sang to the kid he
carefully
carefully
latched
latched the door. She
also advised
advised the kid from the
window
window do not
let
let anyone in
unless
unless he she